Yeah.
Evening guys, Al here again, off on another adventure. So I'm going to head out to Spires Lakes in North Tawton and try and get some carp. Now with the weather being so hot, yeah, Spires Lake you can pull them off the top quite easily when the sun's out. But I'm going to challenge myself and hopefully I'm going to get there early enough to get into the shaded spot on the bottom lake. So let's get down there, give it a go. So I'm down on the peg, 7 o'clock in the morning. Now at Spires, you can pull in carp off the top pretty easily on a day like today. But I wanted to give myself a bit of a challenge. So last time I fished this peg, it was quite hard work. So I've tucked myself away in the shade, away from everyone. And yeah, main objective, to have a chill out and hopefully get some fish on the bank. So 1.5 ounce lead, keeping it light. Pepper Army, let's get it out. So the bait I'm using, I always marinate it in like a spicy sauce. So today I've got Frank's red hot sauce. Lovely. So just on my first take, took me straight into a snag. Gutted. So first fish of the session, not a biggie, nice to get off the mark. Let's get a put back. So a little mirror there to get started. Because of the snags and the lilies and the island, I've got my drag a little bit tighter than usual, and that little mirror there pulled the rod from the rod pod. So yeah, they are good fun here, they do fight, but nice to get off a mark. I'm getting a lot of line bites, so hopefully we'll have a couple more. So it was so quiet, I've decided to go for bread on the top. Nice little common there. Yeah, first cast on the surface, and there we go. Happy days, let's get it put back. Tiny little common this time. Hopefully there's bigger out there. That's all I'm using, simple bubble float, trace line, bit of bread, hook showing. Taking me into the lilies. Damn. he's out. Get him. Oh, he's only a tiddly as well. He is really small. Just want to tire him out a little bit. And I mean really small.
Eventually.
There we go. He is tiny. When I said he was small, I meant it. Yeah, it took me straight into the lilies. Give me a good little scrap. Yeah, get it put back. There's got to be a biggie out there somewhere. So I'm just keeping it really close. That's my bread there at the end of the rod. Trying to keep it tight to the lilies. Same spot. I think it's the same fish. Yeah, it looks like it. Typical.
A few moments later.
Same one again. Same fish. Damn. So I've been on the surface now for about 2.5, 3 hours. Had about 9, 10 fish. So yeah, I've got the 2 rods on the bottom now. Again, one with pepperami and one with sweet corn. And have a chill out now. So it's hot now. Glad I got the shaded bit. But yeah, the bugs are doing me. It's gone really quiet. So I'm going to call it end of session there. So I was just about to leave. I've just had a look at the top lake. There's a fair few basking in the sun. There we go, guys. Another session done. Yeah, quite successful. I was in the water for 2 hours on the bottom. Had the first take, pulled me into a snag. To be fair, Matt gave me some glug and some ground bait. Matt from Carp, Diem. And as soon as I chucked it in, they started to sort of move around. I was getting line bites and stuff. But then, yeah, I started seeing them on the top. So, yeah, I took the first one off the bottom. And then I just had to get the bread out on the surface and pulled out another 8. So yeah, it was nice to get down there. As you saw, there was a lot of fish basking in the sun. But yeah, I got down to the shallow bit in the shade and sort of challenged myself. Pulled out 9 in the end. So happy days. All in all, a good session. On to the next. As always, guys, give us a like on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so any adventures that we go on, you can come with us. And we'll see you in the next session.